Hi friends, welcome my channel. Today in this video we are going to see about truncate query in SQL. So before entering into the video, if you are visiting this channel first time, subscribe the channel and don't forget to click the bell symbol. So what is truncate query? So truncate query will delete the data in your in your table and not deleting your table. So when you are using a drop query or delete query, it will delete your table itself. But the truncate query will help you to delete only the table records, not the table. So let us see with the query. See here, in my table I have these records. So execute. So by using select query I am executing my table records. So these records are available. So I am going to use truncate. Nothing. The query is very simple. Truncate table. This is the syntax for truncate query. So truncate table, your table name. This is your query. So verify SQL syntax. Ignore. Execute. So query has executed successfully. Now we can select the data from my table using select query. See, my table is available but no data is present in my table. This is called truncate query. For truncate query is used to delete only the table records, not the table. And syntax for this truncate query is truncate table, your table name. My table name is student record. That's it. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, drop your comments in my comment page. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and don't forget to click the bell symbol. Thank you.